Hey there, personal finance, distance learning people. Just want to make sure we're on the same page as we prepare for our first test on the insurance unit. All right, so here's kind of the ins and outs. First of all, no notes, no open book, nothing like that. Probably like, well, how am I going to take this test? What's going on? Okay, I'm glad you asked that question. I guess I asked it for you. First of all, back in week 6, last week, I had the Unit 1 Insurance Study Guide. I need for you to do some thorough work around this. I have a link to the study guide form with a list of terms and key concepts to know for that test. Step 1. Step 2 is using Investopedia as a study guide to review terms that you may still be unfamiliar with. Now, if you still are going through review and you're going, like I say, right up here, see where it says, then arrange a whiteboard session with Mr. Reardon. If you're still like lost and stuck and going, I am not ready for a test, then let's please schedule a Zoom session to where we can go over the stuff you feel like you're still a little bit woozy on. All right. So that's preparing for the test. This week in live learning here at College Place High School, we are testing. We're testing Friday because Wednesday's PSAT and SAT days. We're testing Friday. But you're like, okay, what do I do if I'm at home? Here's how it works. And it's not that I don't trust the at home learners, it's because I want to make sure that we have integrity in the testing process. So someone needs to be available to proctor your test. Now, that someone is someone other than a parent or guardian whose email address I have in Skyward. Then you need to find somebody else. But I will be emailing out the test form here to parents and guardians shortly, and they will have access to it. You will not. Well, then how am I going to take the test? Good question. Yes. So here in Google Classroom, I have an answer sheet in Google Sheets. Now, I want to make sure I did this correctly. I'm always psycho. Each student will get a copy of the answer sheet. And it looks like this. There you go. We have a bunch of multiple choice, maybe a couple true, false, couple short answer down there at the bottom, 35 points. Please type your short answer and essay questions inside of column C. What I mean by that is if for some reason your answer slops over into column D, E, F, whatever, don't worry about it. Just type everything in column C. That's very important. Please do not put periods after your multiple choice answers or anything else. Just a single letter, A, B, C, D, whatever, with your multiple choice. That is your answer sheet. When you are done with the test, you will submit that via Google Classroom. Okay? Again, no open notes, no open book, no open internet, no open nothing. Okay. How do I get the test? All right. I will email your parent a copy of the PDF, the Adobe PDF file, which you will need to take the test, with the understanding that parent or guardian is going to proctor or watch you take that test. And once you are finished with said test, they will email me, my son or daughter completed the test. Again, I need to have some testing integrity to make sure there's an arm's length between me and you. That's the way I roll. Now, if you're like, that's a hassle, I don't want to do that, this is okay, you are welcome. You are welcome to come here to school and take the test electronically like the rest of the class is doing. Okay? So if that's a step you don't want to go through, that's fine. Totally understand. Come here and test. All right? That's as simple as it gets. Then, let's go back here. Then I will quickly grade your test, give you the results back. Then you'll see down here I have a retake ticket. You can review that document there and my writing up here if you want to do a retake. But my thing is, hey, if you go through the study guide and you prepare properly the first time, you should be just fine. If you kind of blow off and go, oh, I guess I got to do the test and hurry, whatever, okay, that's not going to go well. All right. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Again, Google Hangouts. It's probably the best way to get a hold of me. And again, if you want to go through stuff and you're like, I need a little bit of review with you, let me know. Let's arrange a session and we'll chat. All right. All right. Take care and have a great week.